وقال الرسول اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم وقال الرسول یا رب ان قوم اتخذوا هذا القرآن مہجورا and the messenger will say, O my Lord, my people indeed treated this Quran as a thing to be discarded.
And next.
وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا لِكُلِّ نَبِيٍّ عَدُوًّا مِّنَ الْمُجْرِمِينَ وَكَفَىٰ بِرَبِّكَ هَادِيًا وَنَصِيرًا. Thus did we make for every prophet an enemy from among the sinners, and sufficient is thy Lord as a guide and a helper.
These two verses connected indicate that this is a prophecy of the Holy Quran, which is to be fulfilled here on earth during the latter days. Because it does not apply to the time of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam himself. It has to apply later on. And now it is so. Practically, the people of Islam have left the Holy Quran altogether and start following the wishes of the mullah, though in the name of the Holy Quran, but they are not the verdicts of the Holy Quran, they are the verdicts of the mullah himself. So this is what Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is complaining to God. Look at these people. A time would come when they would desert me and the Quran. And these will be the guilty people. They will commit the crime of doing this. And that will be tantamount to showing their enmity to me. This is the meaning of these verses, which I hope will satisfy your query. Does it, or you wanted to ask something else? Right. Okay. You translate and I leave for the preparation of for the next class.
Okay, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.